क्या रे? कोडिंग? नहीं, आज आज कोई नहीं आएगा देखना, 100%। एल्गोरिदम ने थोड़ा मेरा साथ दे दिया इसलिए। भाई पढ़ने लग गया भाई, पढ़ना पड़ता। पढ़ भाई पढ़। हाय ब्रो, स्टडी रिवर। ब्रो आई एम डूइंग अरे DSA जावा में। अरे नहीं रे, अरे अरे। व्हाट इज DSA? तो you don't have a coding background? You're a new programmer. DSA is data structures and algorithm. So when we store data, so data should be stored in a very efficient way. That's why we use DSA. And it's generally asked in the interviews for many companies, Google, Microsoft, etc. Uh, no, bro. You can through stream. but you will have to master not you have to learn one language before that. Hello, bhai. Hello. Speedy. Speed. SSY. I am in second year. We are the same. You are in second year and you don't know DSA. Can you show about Q? No, bro, I'm on array. I'm also getting started in DSA. What happened, Amog? Can you show about Q? I'm doing DS in array now. First, I will complete array, then I will go to list strings, then I will go to hash mapping, then I have a roadmap. I follow that. क्या हो गया भाई अमोघ प्लीज प्लीज क्या कर ओके ओके कैम्बोडिया नाइस टू मीट यू टेल अबाउट जावास्क्रिप्ट ग्राफिक गेम्स I don't know what are you talking about. I don't know that. JavaScript I only know till web development. Mm, I don't know, bro. Mm, Master. I'm not a master, bro. But you can be a master. I'm not a master. You can be, but I'm not. Hmm? This one. It also comes out. Mm, it's an Indian company, I think. I don't know you will get it in Cambodia or not. I will share the link. Mm. Search this. It's not that mm, expensive also. I brought this. हम्म, 600 में लिया मैंने. हम्म. द- Is DSA in Python good? Uh, I thought about doing DSA in Python, but I think the Python is a very uh, wait a minute. Python is, I think, very syntax easy language. So logic building is not good in Python, but you can solve it in anything. I think the company will surely accept those DSA lead codes. India, you have learned about database. We are learning now into DBMS, database management system, SQL. Pranshu is also my friend. He's in the same college. प्रांशु को मॉड बना दो क्या? चल, प्रांशु तेरे को I made you mod. अच्छा, ML. I'm also doing Python side by side with Java. Python is a very important language when it comes to ML. Mm. You learn Kotlin for Android app development. Java is better than Kotlin because then you can do Java is a very centric and what do you call company oriented like language. Many company use Java, and plus you can do Android app development in Java also. Uh, syntax is easy in Python. Calligraphy branch. Study, bro. Are you in web development? I have seen many people do DSA in Python. You can do it, but I would prefer to start with C++ and Java. I haven't mastered any language yet. I'm still learning. I have learned Java till data structures I'm still learning, but normal syntax of Java I have learned, and Python I know normal syntax, data structure still I'm yet to know. And प्रांशु उसको समझेंगे कि वो कैम्बोडिया से है, उसको समझेंगे क्या क्या लिख रहा मराठी में. प्रांशु पचेसिया को बैन कर दूंगा मैं. Python is the future language. Many jobs will be in Python. प्रांशु उसको समझेंगे क्या भाई. He is from Cambodia. How will he know this stuff? My English is very bad. Every country's accent is different. I might not understand your English accent, but Indian English is kind of funny. You can join the Discord community if you want. Uh, I made it yesterday. You can join this. The main topic will be coding and projects. You can share it and get other people's opinion about your project and skills. A community. If you have built your project, you can join the Discord community and you can share your projects there. Like people will also get to know about how you made the project. भाई 7 लोग देख रहे what's up Saf Vani, I don't know how to pronounce your name. What's up bro, do you have a coding background? सात लोग देख रहे हैं भाई. What's up Kabir? आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? I'm good too, bro.
काय माफी दे दो झाड़ू लेना
इकडे काय आहे ते कळत नाही का तुला? Mm, the keyboard click sound high. Right. To be honest, I like the sound of this keyboard. Generally, I think I have seen many live coders have very loud keyboard. You can lower the volume if you want. It's not near my mic. It's mechanical keyboard. What level of coding? Uh, I'm doing DSA, so uh, it's not for college. It's for placement and logic building. I am currently in college but don't know why it feels hard to code in Python. You feel hard to code in Python. What are you learning, bro? Python syntax is really simple. If you're finding it hard to learn in Python, then C++ and Java will eat you up. Hello, am I live again? Why did the internet disconnect? I don't know. Hi, Anshuman. What's up? What are you doing? What DSA is? Uh, DSA's full form is data structures and algorithm. So when we store data, so data should be stored in the most efficient manner, uh, not causing load on the computer or RAM, whatever you call it. Most efficient way to store the data or anything. So we use that data structure. There are many data structures like array to storing data for storing data, string, linked list. You can search it up on YouTube. There will you will get on the information. No worries, bro. Thank you for coming to the stream.
Intro about DSA. Oh my god, I have said this so many times. You can go back in the stream and see. The Anshuman guy also asked the same thing about DSA. Why is Java and not CPP? Actually, uh, I started with C, not C++. I started with C, so I didn't like it that much, and the pointers and stuff, I didn't get it. I think Java didn't had the pointers concept in it, and I'm doing Java for like longer time than C. So I think Java was a better option for me. It depends on the person to person. Choose C++ or Java. Well, my friend does it in C++. So, and Java is also a very industrialized language. Uh, from Java, you can do Spring Boot. I don't know Spring Boot, or you can, I don't know. You can do mobile development, Android development, and backend you can do in Java. CPP is a very fast language. I think it's the fastest. It's used in computer programming. Uh, I don't think so. DSA you can do it in any language if you want. You can do it in Python. You can do it in uh, Kotlin. You can do it in Swift. You can do it in JS, C++, C. DSA is not a language oriented concept. It's a concept. बोल ना. Hi bro. User HK7LX8YC5L. Hi. भी 14 लोग देख रहे भाई. फेमस हो गया मैं. फेमस बॉय. मेरे को फेम नहीं चाहिए भाई. तू नहीं करना ना भाई ये सब फालतू बना बकचोदी वगैरह. फेमस होकर क्या ही मिलेगा भाई मेरे को. मेरे को सिर्फ कंसिस्टेंट रहना है और मेरे को मेरी कोडिंग करनी है. तो मैं इसलिए करता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को जब मेरा प्लान है कि 200 300 400 दिन तक खींचूँ इसको, मेरा 4th ईयर तक लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग को. तो जब मैं से डे 14 डे 2 ऐसे डे को देखूंगा तो मेरे को आई आई वांट टू सी माय प्रोग्रेस. दैट्स व्हाई. फेमस हो के भाई मेरे को कुछ फायदा नहीं. अब व्यूज आ रहे, वरना वरना डे आई थिंक डे 14 कल ही व्यूज आए मेरे को. वरना मेरे को तो कोई देखता ही नहीं था. तो इट डजंट मैटर. व्यूज डोंट मैटर. कंसिस्टेंट रहे. रहे लाडले. रहो भाई, कंसिस्टेंट ही रहना है भाई. कल भी आया था ना तुम. ADX भाई. वो डिस्कॉर्ड कम्युनिटी मैंने पिन किया, अगर तुमको ज्वाइन करना तो कर सकते हो। तुमको अगर प्रोजेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट शेयर करना है तो ज्वाइन भी कर लिया इतने लोगों ने। Like you can share your journey or your projects, or if you want to code together a project, you can also do that. क्या भाई, अपना रियल नाम से तो है भाई। थैंक यू भाई अंशुमन भाई आने के लिए। यूजर भाई अपने रियल नाम से तो है भाई, इतना फट्टू है क्या? क्या हेट वॉच करने आते हैं भाई तुम लोग, मेरे को रीच बेट करके कुछ फायदा नहीं है। व्हाट्सअप बड़ी श्रेयांक जा। व्हाट्सअप ब्रो, अच्छा हूँ मैं, आप बताओ। रोहित, I don't know how to pronounce your surname. I am in second year. Jatin Chopra. How are you, bro? What is happening here? I am doing DSA. Mm, I'm starting with array in Java. First, I will learn arrays, all the basics and advanced. Then I will go to lead code. In I think 2 3 days I will learn array, and then I will go to lead code. Then practice array. Then I will go. Then I will learn string. Then practice string. Cycle continues. I will stream probably every day for data science. No, for not data science. Data structures and algorithm, DSA. Data science is different. Data science uh, is done by Python. Thank you, yaar. You can join the Discord community if you like. You can share your ideas or projects there. Bro, how long you are doing this? I am also in second year. I don't know what to start from. Where I don't even know my interest. Any suggestion? Interest? I think so. DSA is DSA is necessary for placement. The DSA is uh, even if you don't do DSA, uh, you should do it for logic building. I'm also getting started. So if you don't even know your interest. You should master a specific language, one language. Either it can be uh, C++, Java, or C, or any other. Plus, you should also master Python because Python is used in everything like in data science and backend, front end, everything. I'm currently pursuing BCA in computer science. So far, I have learned Python, HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. Okay, you have done web development. So if you are good with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then you can move to React. From React, you can then if you are done with front end, then you can go with back end. I'm also doing back end in Django, Python. If you are good in Python, then you can easily do back end. I am Python god. Oh my god, Python god. But I don't want to go for web development. You don't need uh, for projects you can do it. Otherwise, I also don't want to be a web developer. I have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript a bit, and some React concept, but I don't want to do web development as a programmer. I only do web development for projects because I think for placement some things are very necessary, like DSA, system design, basic data. If we are data storage like TBMS, SQL, and stuff, and uh, and I think your projects matter plus your CG. My CG is low. I am done of some projects, but not seriously. How many language did you? If you have done any project, you can join the community. Then you can share it there also. And how many language have you learned so far? I have learned. I have learned the syntax of Java. I'm doing data structures in Java now. I have also learned a good syntax of Python. Then I will also I have yet to done class in Python. Then I will do class, and then I will start with ML. And plus, side by side, I'm doing Django. I have for my week is like structured from Monday to today was a Python day, but I did Java. But from Monday to Thursday, I do Java DSA, and then from Friday to Sunday, 2 days I do what do you call normal Python, and on Sunday I do Django. Django I only watch like 30-40 minutes and setup and etc. Amok Chaturvedi, Python God, please share your tips on uh, you say your timetable, like how did you manage college as well? College depends. Sometimes my college is like today it was till 5, so I came around 5:15, and then I started streaming at 6. I started streaming at 5 around 5:30, and like some days my college ends at 12. Someday my college ends at 2. So I usually stream at 6, 5:30 I start, and then I stream till 7 or 6:45, and then I go to gym, and then come back from gym, eat lunch, eat dinner, and then no, I will not tell the college, bro. I don't want to get any sort of publicity, or I don't want to get my name in college. I don't want to get famous. Yeah, I am also like following this timetable around for 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks. So it's going good for me. I think the progress I have done in areas and uh, tier one, tier I'm at tier two. It's a private college. Pranshu Ahmad, but my mod is also in the same college as my friend. So don't tell the college name. If you search it on LinkedIn or X or GitHub, you will get to know my college name. Government, I didn't add that much percentile to get into a government college. JE, doing JE was one of my worst years, 11th, 12th. College matter, but up to an extent, like a, if a IIT guy doesn't know skills or haven't done any kind of project, then and a guy from tier 2, tier 3 college, private college has done everything, DSA from projects to everything. Of course, the company will hire the guy from tier 3 college, not from tier 1. So you have to work. No, I'm not saying I'm very perfect in this, but I'm also getting started. Any DC? It's pinned. Uh, it's pinned. Discord channel. It's pinned. If you want, you can join. You can join. You can share your projects. You can interact with fellow coders, learn from them, etc. I have so much on my plate right now. I'm struggling to focus on any one thing. Uh, Divide your focus into days. Like focus on one thing at one time. So Like you can follow my timetable if you are learning any DSA or any kind of stuff. Make your priority. Like my priority is Java. So I, from out of 7 days, I give like 4 days to Java, 4 to 5 days to Java. Bro, this looks like a hostel. I am not living in hostel. अगर ऐसा हॉस्टल होता ना भाई, हॉस्टल में रहता हूँ. Completing the CS50 course in 4 weeks right now. Oh my god. I also started with the CS50 course, but the from code camp, I think so. CS50. Uh, hmm, but I stopped it in middle, like it was too slow for me. So I what I did was I like I opened GFG by the side there, and I learned everything from here to like from all the fundamentals. So instead of just watching the lectures, I did this. If every concept is covered here, then I practice some questions. If I was not getting some things, then I watched the solution on YouTube or ChatGPT. It depends. Different learning method. Some are effective, some are not. It depends on the person. The keyboard sound is majestic. Oh, it's Ola. Ola. Yeah, what is it called? Ola. This is the keyboard. All Live 75. Yeah. I am not rich, bro. It was a gift from my auntie. Actually, I asked for it. She lives in the US, so she said, "Do you want anything?" I said, "It was very cheap there. I think like 40, 50, $45 in US." Do physics wala coding videos really? Bro, any kind of videos help, I think so. Everyone teaches the same concept. You are not in 11th or 12th like कि शोभित भैया अच्छा पढ़ाते कि ये भैया अच्छा पढ़ाते. अरे किससे पढ़ो पर पढ़ो. आंटी नहीं है, सॉरी आंटी निकल गया मेरे मुंह से, वो मामी है मेरी. मौसी. आंटी नहीं, मौसी, सॉरी. कौन से कॉलेज में हो? आई कांट टेल ब्रो. I don't want to get any kind of publicity through YouTube. So like I have only told like two friends. Yeah, I do stream. टीयर बता दो, टीयर 2 भाई, बीच का. टीयर 3 भी नहीं, टीयर 1 भी नहीं, बीच का कॉलेज. You live in Delhi, I don't live in Delhi. I live in Maharashtra. I mean, CS50 course is really worth it. I mean, not the CS50 Python University course, but I mean a CS50X course. Okay, I will take a look. Even my cousin lives in Germany, but he doesn't in a single picture of this to this day. Germany, is he there for masters or BTech? Pune, I don't know. No, I will not comment. Where do I live? मैं महाराष्ट्र में टीयर 1 कॉलेज में हूँ. बहुत कम है. What टीयर 1 कॉलेज? Which टीयर 1 कॉलेज are you in? COEP? Hmm? I am from Maharashtra. I can say that much. Masters in data science. Okay, okay. I also had a thought to go to Germany, but my parents didn't allow. Like after JE, my JE didn't go well, so I was planning to study German for 1 year. Then going to they have like a student colleague program where before going to BTech 4 years, you take 1 year off and do student colleague, where it's all basic like what we have in 12th they have in student colleague. They have the 13th grade. So after student colleague marks, like JE, after student colleagues mark, it's only for 1 year. You are allotted a college. But Germany problem is that the language. You need to learn the language, and I'm very bad at learning language. Plus, I think the expenses are not that much in Germany because it's the education is free. But I think so. The cost of living is very high. Like people say, ki you can do side jobs, but for my cousin stays in Germany, so uh, he told me ki for the first 1 year you don't do any kind of jobs because uh, I am not a rich. I am not from a rich family. मिडिल क्लास. अरे मेरा नया घर बना है भाई इसलिए लग रहा है. वरना मैं अगर पिछले पुराने घर से ओ माय गॉड कीओ पी के सही बात बोली भाई तूने. आई एम नॉट कोडिंग, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग. सॉरी. आई विल कोड फॉर फ्यू टाइम एंड देन आई विल गो एंड द स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू कीओ P3K. Like my crush. uh, how long has it been when you started coding? भैया मत बोल भाई मेरे को. Skull भाई भैया मत बोलो. How long it's been since you started coding and how did you start? It's not been so long when I started. Started coding, proper coding, like not chat GPT and stuff. Proper coding I started from second year. First year I didn't do much. Mm, I started with Java and Python plus web development. भैया मैं DSA करना चाहता हूँ किसी लैंग्वेज में करूँ. पाइथन अच्छी से तरह से आती है, बेसिक स्ट्रांग है पूरी. किसी लैंग्वेज में DSA इट डिपेंड्स ब्रो. मैंने भी सोचा था पाइथन में करूँगा पर आई थिंक सो पाइथन इज द सिंटैक्स ऑफ पाइथन इज वेरी easy to learn. So the concept building is not that much in Python. So but I have seen many people do DSA in Python, but uh, I have heard many, not many, but few companies don't prefer DSA in Python. जतिन भाई आप भी पढ़ो. मैं भी ये क्वेश्चन देखता हूँ एक बार, उसके बाद मैं भी श्री बैंड कर दूंगा. कौन से लैंग्वेज में डीएसए करना चाहिए? आई थिंक सो टू प्रोमिनेंट लैंग्वेज फॉर डीएसए आर सी प्लस प्लस एंड जावा, बिकॉज हाँ, तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। सो सी प्लस प्लस या जावा में से कोई एक, इट्स द बोथ ऑफ देम आर गुड फॉर लॉजिक बिल्डिंग। आई एम गोइंग I am I will go to college this year. What extra stuff should I do? Keep aside the academic stuff. What extra stuff? You can join clubs, but I don't recommend joining clubs because they take a lot of time from you, like doing this event, doing that event. But I don't think so. Recruiter will see and go, oh my god, you have done so many events, so many managed so many things. Plus, you have to give so much time to that. So I would recommend you can start coding early. Not only DSA but oh, not the fun stuff, the skill stuff. Okay, you can start with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, web development. Get hands on one language. I will back in a bit. Bro, I will also end the stream in like in 4 or 5 minutes. The skill, I like I'm saying, you can do web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's not that hard for first year, and you can start learning one language like Java or C++ or C. I started with C. You should go study. Let's catch up later. Of course, bro. You can subscribe, and I will come live tomorrow also. We can talk tomorrow too. You can also join the Discord community if you want it split. Everyone you can join. Share your project. Share your coding ideas. Share code together, etc. डोंट स्पैम ब्रो। बट तो क्या मुझे अब वापस सी प्लस प्लस यही जावा सीखना होगा? डी से स्टार्ट करूँ? सी प्लस प्लस या जावा सीखना होगा तब डी से स्टार्ट? सी आई एम नो वन टू टेल यू कि किससे स्टार्ट करना चाहिए डी से, बट यू कैन डू योर ओन रिसर्च कि फ्रॉम व्हाट लैंग्वेज यू शुड स्टार्ट। बट फॉर आई थिंक फॉर लॉजिक बिल्डिंग you should go with C++ or Java. I also did that. From second year, I started Java. First year, I had a Java as subject. Oops, but I didn't give much attention. First year was so chill. Subscribe to that. I will definitely keep coming, keeping tabs on you. Join guitar etc. I will. I haven't even started, so I'm good to. Thank you, bro. You can come back. आपको पाई कीबोर्ड नेम प्लीज, कीबोर्ड ओला F75। आपको पाइथन आती है? मेरे को बेसिक आता है भाई, नॉर्मल लूप्स, मेथड, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं आता पाइथन का। पर पाइथन में सीख रहा हूँ वैसे, तुमको सब्जेक्ट भी स्टेट स्पेस वगैरह, BFS हो गया, DFS हो गया, वो सब चीज़, एल्गोरिदम्स। चलो ब्रो, थैंक यू फ्रॉम फॉर कमिंग टू द स्ट्रीम। You can join the Discord if you want. The Discord link is here. It's pinned. I'm also, as like a beginner, you should off your auto suggestion intelligence, bro. Auto suggestions. What kind of auto suggestions do I have? I don't have auto suggestions on IntelliJ. Like for Python, when you use Colab, the auto suggestions there for me is off. But in IntelliJ, like shortcuts like PSMV, SOUT. I hate my relative. Okay, bro. इस इंफॉर्मेशन का मैं क्या करूँ? Have a great day. Bye. BUY. Bye. क्या बाय करना है भाई? चल. Hello guys, you can join the Discord community. I might post my projects also there, so and you can also post your projects there. Tomorrow I will surely contribute, uh, complete the array part. Then I will go to lead code. Chalo. Bye guys. I think I have zero knowledge about society. चलो. Doesn't matter bro. जॉली रहने का भाई. Don't don't overthink stuff. जैसा चल रहा है वैसा चलने दो. चलो भाई. To be honest, I don't use Discord. Discord is very easy, bro. You don't need to learn. It's not a coding language and stuff. Thank you for tuning in, guys. कल मिलता है ये टाइप पे कितना around 5:30, 5:30 or 5. I might stream. You can turn on the notification. Next stream कल ही रहेगी around 5 or 5:30. I look handsome. लाइन मार रहा है क्या तो मेरे ऊपर? चलो, बाय गाइस.